several cities across the country will see a curfew starting on Friday evening. A weekend curfew will begin in Delhi 10 pm on Friday and continue till 6 am on Monday morning. According to the new directives, shopping malls, gyms, spas, auditoriums, assembly halls, entertainment parks, and similar public places will be shut. While cinemas and theatres have been allowed to operate on 30% capacity, restaurants and other eateries will only provide takeaway and home delivery service. Uttar Pradesh will see a night curfew in several cities including Lucknow, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Kanpur, Gautam Budh Nagar, Ghaziabad, Meerut and Gorakhpur district from 8 pm to 7 am. Rajasthan will also have a weekend curfew from 6 pm today till Monday 5 am. In Odisha, there will be a night curfew in urban areas of 20 districts including Cuttack and Bhubaneswar between 9 pm and 5 am. COVID test would be mandatory for all Karnataka pilgrims returning from Kumbh Mela at Uttarakhand's Haridwar, State Health Minister K. Sudhakar announced on Thursday. Pilgrims returning to the state after taking part in the Holy Kumbh Mela at Haridwar must self-isolate at their home for a week and take a RT-PCR test, Sudhakar said in a tweet in Kannada, tagging an order from the state health departments. The returnees have also been advised to resume normal activities only after their COVID test report result is negative. As Haridwar reported a daily spike of more than 600 new coronavirus cases, one of the prominent akhadas participating in Kumbh Mela, the Niranjani Akhada, advised its seers to leave the religious gathering on Saturday. Secretary of Niranjani Akhada, Ravindra Puri, said, due to the growing number of COVID cases, Haridwar is not in good shape. Seers associated with the Akhada have been advised to leave for their destination on Saturday, April 17th, after taking Snan in Ganga River. Puri also appealed to other Akhadas to curtail the Kumbh Mela for seers. A Delhi court on Thursday granted bail to former JNU Student Union leader Umar Khalid in connection with the riots that broke out in Khajuri Khas area of Northeast Delhi in February last year, saying that he was not present on the scene of crime and that he cannot be kept behind bars on the basis of sketchy material. Khalid, however, will continue to remain in jail in connection with the case regarding the conspiracy behind the Northeast Delhi riots, in which he was booked under the stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray of Maharashtra on Thursday thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for allowing Maharashtra government-owned Hopkins Institute to manufacture Bharat Biotech's Covaxin on the basis of transfer of technology. The Maharashtra government made the announcement regarding the approval through their official Twitter handle. The Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, has granted approval to Hopkins Institute to produce Bharat Biotech's Covaxin vaccine on a transfer of technology basis, the Maharashtra Chief Minister's office tweeted.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.